Hey guys, welcome back to Luke's Vintage RC. Alrighty, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is a dedicated RC car channel to restoring these vintage RC cars. We're making them look new again, running them, and doing top speed, typically all in one video. Quite rare. We also do RC boats and custom builds during the holiday season, so always something fun and exciting, especially Christmas time and Halloween. So you definitely want to subscribe so you don't miss anything. So hit that notification bell too, and let's talk about and dive in this beautiful car we got right here. So what you're looking at is a 1998 Mercedes CLK GTR race car. This would be a race-winning machine from Mercedes. So obviously Tamiya is gonna get that design, and they did. It's a gorgeous car. This is a TA03 R chassis for this one here. Beautiful car, beautiful chassis. Tamiya would go on to do a reissue of this car that's out now actually. That would be on TT01E chassis. I'll show you that one now. So just great stuff. This would be also the third iteration of this chassis with this type of race style RC. The first one being of a Nissan 390. So, but this one, in my opinion, is the best looking one of the series. Just beautiful car. This one, when I got it off Marketplace about a year or so ago, and it was missing the Mercedes emblem and the mirrors. And I thought it was missing the stickers on the side. Luckily, I was able to find those. So I had to get a couple parts from a couple of my friends on Tamiya Club. They helped me out. And yeah, we did do some touch-up paint here and there. Painted the bottom lip here, and then had to repaint this spoiler in the back, or the wing, the lower wing. But it looks really nice now. And touched it up a little bit of silver paint here and there. Yeah. We also painted the wheels, but we have to strip the paint off those things. They were like a big clunky black paint. Didn't look good. You'll see all that stuff in the video. This is the chassis, the famous TA03R chassis. This is just a great chassis in my opinion. Just drives really nice. If there's only one little gripe I have, it's just a little bit of the steering. There's a little bit of play in steering, but that can be rectified. This one does come with some really cool stuff in it. I always like the screws on this one because it's almost like they use black chrome or anodized, which is nice. You don't see all that, that yellowy screws and stuff. So very stealth, and it uses a little bit of FRP right in the middle. It's kind of like carbon fiber kind of thing for a little bit of lightweightness. You can, I believe, get an upgraded kit for this one and stuff like that back in the day. But this one gave you some really cool little touches here. So it's definitely a special chassis. So this one, we got some really cool hop-ups. We got full ball bearings in this one. Tamiya Sport 2 motor and a 17-tooth pinion. So it definitely moves nice. What else? We're running a 1060 ESC and a little turbo 4-channel receiver and radio set. So nothing crazy, nothing super expensive in this car at all. So all the things I got in here is readily available at your local hobby store or online. So very cool. We're going to see what it took to make this vintage RC come back to life again. And then we're going to see it run, and also we're going to get a top speed up. And all that's going to start right now. Alrighty guys, so here it is. A 1998 Mercedes CLK GTR from Tamiya. This one is a very cool one since it uses the TA03R belt drive with 4-wheel drive. That's the chassis there, layout. And it's used, and it's already been painted. Got this off Marketplace probably about a year or so ago. And we're just now getting to it. So let me put the camera down and we'll see what's inside of the box. Okay, so here's what it looks like inside. Got the manual, thank goodness. All right, here's the shell. Hopefully all the parts are in here. So, looks like it's got some scratches and things and stuff on it, but overall not too shabby. Definitely gonna need to be washed up a little bit. Would have been nice if it wasn't painted, but we're gonna have to add some paint anyways. So, bag of parts. There's the chassis. It's already been built a little bit here, but it's definitely been driven, I can tell. But it's been a while. But actually underneath looks really good, as you can see. It doesn't look like it's been used too much. There's the wheels, painted black. It should be silver, so we're gonna have to paint those silver. But they're actually in pretty decent condition. There's spoiler, or the rear wing. So it looks like there's paint chip and one bracket missing. And there's the tall wing right there. Looks good. Carbon fiber battery brace, or battery stay. Really nice. These were special kits in my opinion. I love these kits. It's been a while since I've worked on a T03. But this one's really nice. Some of the decals are coming off the tire, so probably gonna have to remove all that and eventually see if I can print out some new decals for the tires. There's the old Silver Can 540. Yep, it's falling right there. It actually looks really good. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing else in the package, unfortunately. But I do have some options that's going to be coming in it, and I'll show you those real quick. Alrighty guys, so here are some of the upgrades we're going to be using. We got a Chinese knockoff up to 1060 quick run hobby wing ESC. And then we got an RS 540 sport tune motor and some ball bearings to get this car rolling a little bit better. Now, going through everything, I seem to be missing the side mirrors and the Mercedes emblem. And also the stickers for the side. So you're supposed to have that big D2 decal. So that's going to be a little tough, but I might be able to print that out, and maybe I might have some plastic mirrors or something in my parts bin, and I might be able to make this out of some plastic or something, the Mercedes emblem. I don't know. We'll have to see. So that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead and start doing the tear down and then wash everything really good, and hopefully everything looks good inside the gearboxes. Belt looks fine, so fingers crossed there. All right, without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, as you can tell, you never know what you're gonna find tearing these cars down. There's an old spider web in there. Looks like where maybe the hatchings or whatever it was kind of busted out of that little area, and left a little spider web for us. So there's nothing in there now. It's empty. So would have been cool if a bunch of spiders came out of there, wouldn't it? Alrighty, so had to pause for that. I thought that was kind of cool. And also I'm able to see the year on the chassis, which is kind of neat. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish breaking this thing down. Alrighty guys, everything is nice and washed now. Got everything laid out, getting ready for assembly. Body's washed, looks really good. I got to do a couple areas and touch up the silver on it, but we're going to wait and do that last. Rear spoiler is washed up, looking good. Got a couple little parts I got to touch up with black paint. Went ahead and repainted the whole rear plastic lower spoiler. I still got to fix that little black part, or that little part right there where the little black area is, but nothing super important yet. All the black paint came off the rims and add a little bit of a shimmer to them. They look really sharp. Tires are armor-alled. All the hardware has been oiled, spread out, looking good. So we're doing really good on that end. I put out a notification I needed some parts, mirrors, and a Mercedes emblem on a couple sites, and a couple of my friends assisted me with these. So huge thanks to those dudes. Thank you so much. So yeah, so there we go. That's it. And now we're going to go to assembly. Alrighty guys, so now we got everything all painted up like we needed. We're gonna now assemble this bad boy. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. All right, so we did have the side large decals here. They were just inside the manual, tucked in a page. I think that's everything I need. So they need to go on just like that, how you see, but the door handle needs to be placed on after the larger sticker. So unfortunately, I can't get the sticker off. It's really on there. I don't want to tear it off. So I'm gonna have no choice but to put this on over it and see if I can slowly kind of like use a little razor blade to cut that area right there in front of the two. So should look all right. All right, now to get a top speed of the Mercedes CLK. Let's see, we got red 0. Let's see what she does. Like 20 something. Let's see, we got 21 miles an hour. Not bad, not bad. All right, let's get into the running portion of the video now. All right, so we're gonna do just a quick little run test with the stock wheels. They're not the best thing, they're kind of dry and slippery. We're gonna put those little meats on there and it'll be a little bit better of a drive. Alrighty, now we're going to do a little quick run review with the aftermarket tires. Tamiya, a little bit better tire. Actually, the car drives so much better with good tires versus dry rot tires. So let's just drive it a little bit and have a little fun. I'll probably play some music in just a second. That way you don't hear all the wind in the background. I apologize for the windy weather and everything like that, but this one did not disappoint. Drives super nice. I would say it's definitely geared low. So you probably, if you're gonna drive this one and get super top speeds instead of lose a little bit of acceleration, I would definitely go up in the gearing. But other than that, what a lovely RC car, and it looks quite beautiful, if I might say so myself. Alrighty guys, if you can, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I promise you're not gonna wanna miss what's coming up next. Alright guys, take care. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.